Hotels have several departments that work together to ensure smooth operations and guest satisfaction. 1. Front office handles check-ins, check-outs, reservations, and guest inquiries. 1. It is the hotel's communication hub. 2. Housekeeping maintains cleanliness in rooms and public areas, provides laundry services, and ensures hygiene standards. 3. Food and beverage (F&B) manages restaurants, bars, room service, and catering for events. 4. Kitchen prepares meals for guests, ensuring food quality and safety. 5. Sales and marketing promotes the hotel, attracts guests, and boosts revenue through advertising and partnerships. 6. Accounting manages budgets, expenses, payroll, and financial transactions. 7. Human resources (HR) recruits and trains staff, handles employee relations, and ensures compliance with labor laws. 8. Engineering and maintenance repairs and maintains hotel facilities, ensuring safety and functionality. 9. Security protects guests, staff, and property from threats and emergencies. Each department plays a vital role in providing a seamless guest experience.